Last month, I helped a $5 million SaaS founder cut their sales cycle from 6 months to 45 days using a data source that 99% of B2B companies don't even know exists. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to find companies that are about to spend serious money, sometimes before they even realize it themselves. I'm Tony Koenig, and over the past 3 years, I've helped over 200 B2B founders in the $3 to $10 million range stop wasting money on unqualified leads and start building predictable revenue pipelines. My clients have generated over $50 million in new revenue using the exact system I'm about to share with you. But listen, if you keep doing what you're doing right now, here's what's going to happen. You'll continue burning through your marketing budget on leads that go nowhere. Your sales team will keep chasing prospects who aren't ready to buy. And while you're stuck in 6-month sales cycles, your competitors who understand intent signals will eat your lunch. The brutal truth? Most B2B founders are playing lead generation like it's 2015. They're looking at website visits and email opens while the smart money is tracking something completely different. Here's what everyone gets wrong about B2B lead generation. They focus on demographics and basic behavior, company size, industry, who downloaded your white paper. But here's the thing, none of that tells you when someone is actually ready to buy. I had a client spending $30,000 a month on LinkedIn ads, targeting vice president of sales at tech companies with 50 to 200 employees. The leads looked perfect on paper, but their close rate, 2%, 2%. They were essentially flushing money down the toilet. The problem is that traditional lead gen treats all prospects the same, but buyer intent isn't binary. It's not ready or not ready. There are specific trigger events that happen before someone starts shopping for a solution. So what's this secret data source I keep talking about? Tech stack changes. Think about it. When does a company start shopping for new software? Right after they've made other technology decisions. When they add new tools, integrate new systems, or expand their infrastructure, they're in a buying mode. But here's where it gets really interesting. Most companies announce their tech stack changes publicly. They publish case studies, update their careers pages, mentioning new tools, post on social media about integrations. This data is sitting out there in plain sight, but almost nobody is tracking it systematically. I found a way to monitor when companies add specific technologies that indicate they're about to need the type of solution my clients offer. For example, when a company implements Salesforce for the first time, they're probably going to need sales training, lead generation services, or revenue operations help within 90 days. When they add HubSpot, they're likely looking for marketing automation services or content creation. When they implement Slack, they might need team communication training or productivity consulting. Let me show you exactly how this works. One of my clients provides revenue operations consulting. Instead of targeting vice president of sales, we started tracking companies that recently implemented new CRM systems. Here's what happened. We identified 47 companies in their target market that had announced CRM implementations in the past 60 days. My client reached out with a message like, "I saw you just implemented Salesforce. Most companies see a 40% dip in productivity during the first 90 days. I've got a 7-day implementation roadmap that prevents this. Interested, response rate 34%, close rate 62%. Why did this work so well? Because the timing was perfect. These companies were already in problem-solving mode. They had budget allocated. They had executive buy-in for process improvements, and most importantly, they had an immediate need. There are 3 types of tech stack changes that indicate serious buying intent. Number 1, first-time implementations. When a company adopts a new category of software for the first time, they're usually going to need help, training, or complementary solutions. Number 2, platform migrations. When companies switch from one major platform to another, It creates a window of opportunity for related services. Number three, integration announcements. When companies start connecting multiple tools, they often need help optimizing their workflows or filling gaps in their stack. The key is identifying which tech stack changes correlate with demand for your specific solution. Now, if you want the complete system for tracking these tech stack changes, including the exact tools I use, the specific data sources to monitor, and the proven outreach templates that get 30% plus response rates, I've put together a comprehensive guide. Click the link in the description to download the Tech Stack Intelligence Playbook for free. It includes everything you need to start identifying high-intent prospects in your market. And if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe, because next week I'm revealing the exact automation setup that lets you track these signals for thousands of companies simultaneously. What tech stack changes have you noticed in your industry? Drop a comment below. I respond to every single one. Keep on scaling.